Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about a truth that many people don't want to accept. Money is powerful. Money can change your life, but money can also change you. And sometimes, it changes you in a dangerous way. Slowly, silently, money can make you blind. Blind to people, blind to reality, blind to what truly matters. This video is not against money. Money is important. But when money becomes your only focus, you lose something bigger. Your clarity, your values, your humanity. So today, you will learn 8 powerful lessons. Simple, real, and life-changing. So you can use money without letting money control you. Lesson 1. Money can change your thinking. Now listen very carefully. This is where everything begins. Before money changes your life, it changes your thinking. And when your thinking changes, your decisions change. Your behavior changes. Your entire life changes. In the beginning, when you have little money, your thinking is simple. You think about basic needs, food, home, daily life. You appreciate small things. You feel happy with little progress. But when money starts coming, something slowly starts changing. Not suddenly, not loudly, but quietly. You begin to compare. You look at others and think, he has more than me. I need to earn more. You begin to measure value differently. Earlier, you valued people for who they are. Now, you start noticing what they have, their income, their lifestyle, their status. This is where the shift begins. Now understand this clearly. Money is not wrong, but when your thinking depends only on money, you stop seeing the full picture. You start believing more money means better life. More money means more respect. More money means more happiness. But this is not always true. Let's take a simple example. 2 people. One has less money, but lives with peace, strong relationships, and clear thinking. The other has more money, but feels stressed, lonely, and always chasing more. Who is truly rich? The answer is not as simple as it looks. Now here is the dangerous part. When your thinking changes because of money, you don't notice it. You feel it is normal. You start focusing only on results. How much money did I make? How much can I earn next? And slowly, you stop asking important questions like, am I happy? Am I at peace? Am I becoming a better person? This is how money creates blindness, not outside, inside your mind. Now let's go deeper. Money can also change your priorities. Earlier, you had time for people. You had time for learning. You had time for simple joys. But now, everything becomes about money. Work more, earn more, chase more. And slowly, you lose balance. Now here is something very important. Your thinking creates your reality. If your thinking becomes only about money, your life becomes only about money. And when that happens, you may have success, but you may lose meaning. Now imagine this. You achieve your financial goal, you earn a lot, but inside, you feel empty. You feel disconnected. Why? Because your thinking became limited. So what should you do? You must stay aware. Always ask yourself, is money guiding me or controlling me? Keep your thinking balanced. Money is important, but it is not everything. Value growth. Value peace. Value relationships. Value your inner life. Now here is a simple practice. Every time you think about money, pause for a moment. Ask, why do I want this? What will this give me? Is this really important? This will bring clarity. Now remember this powerful line. Money should support your thinking, not control your thinking. Because the moment money controls your thinking, you stop seeing clearly. And when you stop seeing clearly, you start making wrong decisions. So stay aware, stay conscious, stay in control. Because when your thinking stays clear, you can use money wisely. And that is the real power, not having money, but understanding it. This is how you protect yourself. This is how you grow. And this is how you stay truly strong. Lesson 2. Money can make you forget people. This lesson is very deep because this is where many people lose something very important. People. In the beginning, when you don't have much money, you stay close to people. You talk more. You share more. You spend time together. You value relationships. You value connection. But when money starts increasing, life becomes busy, more work, more responsibility, more focus on earning. At first, it feels normal. You say, I am doing this for my future. I am working hard for my family. But slowly, something changes. You stop calling people. You stop meeting them. You stop listening. And without realizing, you start moving away. Now understand this clearly. Money does not directly take people away. Your priorities do. When money becomes your main focus, everything else becomes secondary. You start thinking, I will talk later. I will meet them later. I don't have time now. But later becomes never, and one day, you look around and you feel alone. This is the hidden cost of money. Now let's go deeper. Relationships need time. They need attention. They need presence. You cannot replace time with money. You cannot replace care with gifts. You may give expensive things, but if you don't give your time, the connection becomes weak. Think about this. Have you ever been with someone, but they were always busy on their phone or always thinking about work? How did you feel? Ignored, unimportant, disconnected. That is exactly what happens when money takes over your life. Now here's another important point. Money can also change how you see people. You may start valuing people based on their status. You may respect people with money and ignore people without it. This is where blindness becomes stronger, because real value is not in money. Real value is in character, in kindness, in loyalty, in honesty. But when money controls your thinking, you forget this. Now imagine two people. One person is always busy earning. No time for family, no time for friends. The other person earns, but also stays connected, spends time, listens, cares. Who will feel fulfilled? The answer is clear. Now here is something very powerful. At the end of life, people don't remember how much money they made. They remember who was there for them, who cared, who loved them. So don't lose people while chasing money. Now let's talk about a simple habit. Stay connected. Call someone, meet someone. Talk without hurry. Listen fully. Even small moments matter. You don't need hours. Even a few minutes of real connection is powerful. Now connect this with your growth. When you have good people around you, you feel strong. You feel supported. You feel balanced. But when you lose people, even success feels empty. So always remember this truth. Money can build your life, but people give meaning to your life. Don't forget them. Don't ignore them. Don't replace them. Because when you stay connected, you stay human. And that is more valuable than anything else. Lesson 3. Money can create ego. This lesson is very important because this is where many people lose control of themselves. Not because of lack of money, but because of too much ego. In the beginning, When you are struggling, you are humble. You are open to learning. You listen to others. You respect people. Because you know you are still growing. But when money starts coming, something slowly changes. You feel stronger. You feel powerful. You feel like you have achieved something. And this is good. You should feel proud of your progress. But here is the danger. When pride becomes ego. Now understand the difference. Pride says, I have done something good. Ego says, I am better than others. And when ego enters your mind, your thinking changes. You start comparing. You start judging. You start looking down on others. You may think, they are not at my level. They don't understand success. They are not important. This is where blindness begins. Because ego closes your mind. When your mind is closed, you stop learning. You stop growing. You stop improving. And this is very dangerous. Now let's go deeper. Ego also changes your behavior. You stop listening. You interrupt people. You ignore advice. You feel like you already know everything. But listen carefully. The moment you believe you know everything, you stop becoming better. Now think about this. A person with less knowledge, but open to learning, will grow. But a person with more success, but full of ego, will stop growing. So what really matters? Not how much you have, but how open you are. Now here's another important truth. Ego creates distance. People feel uncomfortable around ego. They feel judged. They feel ignored. So slowly, people move away. And you may not even notice it. You may think, I am successful. But inside, you are becoming alone. Now imagine two people. One person has money, but stays humble, listens to others, respects everyone. The other person has money, but shows ego, talks down to people, feels superior. Who will be respected more? The answer is clear. Respect comes from character, not from money. Now let's talk about how to stay safe. First, always remind yourself, money can come and go. Second, respect everyone, no matter their status. Third, keep learning. Never think you are finished. Fourth, listen more. Speak less. These simple habits protect you from ego. Now understand this powerful truth. Ego feels strong, but it makes you weak because it stops growth. It blocks learning. It breaks relationships. But humility makes you powerful because it keeps your mind open. It keeps your heart connected. Now remember this line. Money can raise your level, but ego can destroy your value. So, stay grounded, stay humble, stay aware, because real success is not just earning more. Real success is becoming better. And when you stay humble, you keep growing, you keep learning, you keep winning. This is the real power, not money, but control over yourself. Lesson 4. Money can hide your real problems. This lesson is deep, and many people don't understand it until it is too late. Money can solve many problems, but money can also hide your real problems. In life, everyone has struggles. Stress, fear, loneliness, confusion. These are normal. These are human. But when money comes into your life, you get a new option. You can escape. Instead of facing your problems, you can distract yourself. You can buy something. You can travel. You can keep yourself busy. And for some time, it feels good. It feels like the problem is gone. But listen carefully. The problem is not gone. It is only hidden. Now understand this clearly. Money can change your surroundings, but it cannot always fix your inside. Let's take a simple example. A person feels lonely. Instead of talking to someone, instead of understanding their emotions, they keep buying things. New phone, new clothes, new experiences. For a moment, they feel better. But after some time, the same feeling comes back. Why? Because the real problem was not outside. It was inside. Now here is the danger. When you keep hiding your problems, they grow. Small stress becomes bigger. Small confusion becomes deeper. And one day, you feel overwhelmed. But now, you don't even know where the problem started. This is how money can create blindness. You think everything is fine because your life looks good. But inside, things are not clear. Now let's go deeper. Money can also hide emotional pain. Instead of healing, people distract themselves. Work more, spend more, stay busy all the time because silence feels uncomfortable. But silence is important because in silence, you understand yourself. Now imagine two people. One person uses money to escape. They never face their thoughts. They never understand their emotions. The other person uses money wisely, but also takes time to reflect, to think, to understand themselves. Who will be stronger? The answer is clear. Now let's talk about what you should do. First, be honest with yourself. Ask, am I using money to solve problems or to avoid them? Second, take time to think. Sit quietly. Understand your feelings. Third, face your problems. Don't run from them. Fourth, work on your inner life, your thoughts, your emotions, your mindset, because this is where real strength comes from. Now connect this with your daily life. When something feels wrong, don't distract yourself immediately. Pause. Think. Understand. Because understanding is the first step to solving. Now remember this powerful truth. Money can buy comfort, but it cannot buy clarity. Clarity comes from awareness, from reflection, from honesty. So don't let money hide your reality. Use money as a tool, not as a mask. Because when you face your real problems, you become stronger, you become clearer, you become better. And that is real success. Not just a good life outside, but a strong life inside. Lesson 5. Money can make you chase more and more. Now listen very carefully. This lesson explains a trap that almost everyone falls into. The trap of never feeling enough. In the beginning, when you don't have money, you have simple goals. I want to earn something. I want a better life. And when you achieve that, you feel happy, you feel proud, you feel satisfied. But this feeling does not stay for long. Slowly, something changes. Your mind says, this is not enough. I need more. And this is where the chase begins. You earn a little, then you want more. You earn more, then you want even more. And this never stops. Now understand this clearly. Money has no finish line. There's always someone earning more than you. There's always a higher level. There's always a bigger goal. So if you keep chasing without awareness, you will keep running forever. Now let's go deeper. At first, you chase money for comfort. Then you start chasing it for status. Then for comparison. Then for ego. And slowly, money becomes your only focus. You wake up thinking about it. You work thinking about it. You sleep thinking about it. And in this process, you forget something very important: to live. Now imagine this. You achieve one goal. Instead of enjoying it, you immediately start chasing the next one. No pause, no peace, no satisfaction. This creates pressure. Your mind never relaxes. Your happiness depends on the next result. And this is dangerous, because your life becomes a race without a finish line.